Hi, welcome to the webinar, How to Market Online the Simple Way. I'm Kelsey Simon, and in this webinar, you will learn about 5 simple action steps you must take to successfully market products online. Sometimes online marketing can seem so complicated, but I think you'll be amazed by how simple it really is. Before you do anything, your first action step is to choose an audience. Decide whose need you'd like to meet. All of your marketing efforts should be laser focused on one targeted audience. If you know what audience you're speaking to, you can tailor your marketing message and communications to suit their unique needs. Now that you've chosen an audience to target, you can focus on action step number 2. Create a free product offer. Make it irresistible for your target audience. An irresistible offer has 3 main components. First, it has to solve a problem for your audience. Second, it must be easy to implement. And third, it has to be free. So now that you've chosen an audience and created a free product offer for your chosen audience, you are now ready to take action step number 3. Choose a product to sell. This product should be a high converting, high commission offer, an offer that your chosen audience cannot refuse. So now that you've chosen an audience, created a free product offer for that audience, and have chosen a product to sell to your targeted audience, you are now ready to complete action step number 4. Create a marketing funnel. This is also known as a sales funnel and consists of a combination of lead capture pages, sales pages, and checkout pages. The purpose of the marketing funnel is to capture leads and convert sales. So now that you've chosen your audience, created a free product, decided on a product to sell, and created a marketing funnel, you are now ready to take action on step number 5. Drive your audience to your marketing funnel. This is where you want to communicate with your audience about the irresistible free product offer you created for them in step number 2. So now that you've chosen an audience in step number 1 and created a free product offer in step number 2, and have chosen a product to sell in step number 3, and created a marketing funnel in step number 4, and drove your audience to your marketing funnel in step number 5, you've now created an automated money system. And although you've just learned the 5-step action plan on how to market online the simple way, I want to provide an even better option for you. If you don't want to dedicate the time, energy, and financial resources towards choosing a targeted audience and creating a free product to offer your audience and choosing a high converting, high commission product to sell to your audience and creating your own marketing funnel and finally driving your audience to the marketing funnel you've created, how about if I provided you a way to shorten the learning curve and reduce the time, energy, and financial resources needed to begin making money online? How about if I said I can provide you with an online marketing system that is already done for you with all the bells and whistles you need to start marketing online and making extra income in less than 24 hours? And of course, not everyone will make money using this system, but everyone is given an opportunity. Your results are based on your efforts and your dedication. After all, this is your online business. Your results are based on you. What I'm offering is an opportunity to leverage an online home business system that is already done for you. And of course, I'm an advocate for getting educated on how to do all of the 5 action steps we covered in this webinar that teaches you how to market online the simple way. I understand there's a learning curve involved, and not everyone is okay with placing their income on hold until they gain an education in online marketing, which is why I want to help you earn while you learn. Click on the link below for more information.